It's Mardi Gras season, y'all. And if you haven't prepared for Fat Tuesday yet, don't fret. In this video, we'll show you how to shop for 25 delicious Mardi Gras treats that you and your kids will absolutely love.
And with that, let's get started.
Fat Tuesday, also known as Mardi Gras, is a festive occasion celebrated by folks indulging in fattening foods before the beginning of Lent. Most people don't know that Mardi Gras is an actual holiday, but it's only legal in Louisiana, y'all. The good news is that people all around the world still enjoy this tradition. So, if you want you and your kids to get your eat on, there's still time. Our list of Mardi Gras goodies are in no particular order. For the most part, they're items you can buy at a local retailer or just whip them up yourself. All right, good people, so no Mardi Gras celebration is complete without king cake. It's a traditional Mardi Gras dessert, often filled with cinnamon, sugar, and sometimes cream cheese. It's available at bakeries such as Gambino's or supermarkets like Publix or Harris Teeter. If you can get it overnight, you can also try Amazon. Hey sis, we know you've been watching Mommy Room Redo content, but you have yet to subscribe. So let's change that right now. So these beauties right here are called beignets. The pillowy deep-fried pastries are dusted with powdered sugar and they're reminiscent of French donuts. Popularized by Café du Monde in New Orleans, you can also find them at local bakeries or make them at home with the Café du Monde beignet mix from Walmart. Since we're talking Café du Monde, you might as well add some coffee. The New Orleans coffee is infused with chicory root. The chicory root adds a little boost of flavor to the coffee, making it a bit richer, earthier, and nuttier. The chicory root is roasted and ground much like coffee. You can brew your own New Orleans style coffee by picking up the Café du Monde brand or the French Market brand at Walmart. So, what you know about gumbo? It's a hearty stew featuring a flavorful broth, chicken, sausage, and seafood, and it's served over rice. It's available at most Cajun restaurants or grocery stores with pre-packaged gumbo mixes, such as Zatarain's gumbo mix. Here's another main dish for you. It's jambalaya, a spicy American and Creole rice dish that's influenced by the French, African, and Spanish cultures. It's cooked with a variety of meats, vegetables, and Cajun seasonings. And you can find pre-made jambalaya mixes at Target or Walmart, or try it at your favorite Cajun restaurant. This po' boy sandwich is rich with fried seafood like shrimp and oysters. It's also dressed with lettuce, tomato, pickles, and special sauce. Get them from your local deli or seafood markets, or try Popeyes, the fast food restaurant. Try crawfish etouffee. This rich and flavorful dish features crawfish tails smothered in a thick, savory sauce over rice. You can find it at your favorite Cajun restaurant or in a pre-packaged mix from Walmart. If you're a fan of crawfish, then we've got another one for you. The crawfish boil is a festive outdoor feast featuring boiled crawfish, corn on the cob, potatoes, and sausage. You can get that at a number of Cajun restaurants. Red beans and rice. This classic Creole dish made with red beans simmered with smoked meats and served over rice is a Mardi Gras favorite. Look for pre-packed red beans and rice mixes at Target, Walmart, and Publix. Banana Foster. This rich dessert is made with bananas, sauteed in butter, brown sugar, and cinnamon, flambéed with rum, and enjoyed over vanilla ice cream. Get it at upscale restaurants or make it at home with a Banana Foster mix from World Market. Shrimp and grits. This southern comfort food is available at most restaurants, or get the grits pre-made and fresh shrimp from Whole Foods. Fried chicken. Get it from your local chicken joint or head on over to Mom's house. Dirty rice. Get it from your favorite Cajun restaurant or Walmart. Bread pudding. May I suggest you find it at your local bakery or just follow your nose. The muffaletta. A substantial sandwich made with layers of Italian cold cuts, cheese, olive salad on a round loaf of bread. It's available in Italian delis and specialty shops. You can also find the muffaletta pinwheels at Publix. Mardi Gras pasta. This colorful pasta dish features tri-colored pasta, bell peppers, onions, and Cajun seasoned shrimp or chicken. To make it at home, try a recipe from the Louisianna Kitchen and Cultural website. A Cajun fried turkey. Alright, so if you've waited for the last minute for your turkey, then yes, it is too late for this year, but don't worry about it. Just purchase your fryer and get ready for next year. Just pop Mardi Gras purple, yellow, and green colored party popcorn. The kiddos will get a big kick out of this whole grain gluten-free treat that promises to remain fresh for a whopping 30 days if it's unopened. You can also get this at Walmart. Oyster Rockefeller is another Mardi Gras treat. Get it at your favorite Cajun restaurant or make it at home. Fried catfish. Yes, these tender catfish fillets are coated in seasoned cornmeal and are fried until they are extra crispy. You can get them from your local fish market or any southern style restaurant. Gumbo Pizza. This is a unique twist on the traditional gumbo. It features a pizza crust topped with gumbo sauce, shrimp, sausage, and okra. Look for this specialty at various pizza shops offering Mardi Gras themed pies. Cajan Crabcakes. These succulent crab cakes are seasoned with Cajun spices and served with a special sauce. You can enjoy them at seafood restaurants or pick up your crab cakes at Omaha Steaks. Mardi Gras cupcakes. Now these beauties are something you can actually throw together at the last minute. You can go to your local grocery store and purchase some pre-made cupcakes, or you can buy some purple, green, and yellow icing and have a decorating frenzy with you and the kiddos. Pralines. These sweet and buttery candies are made with sugar, cream, butter, pecans, and are often flavored with vanilla and cinnamon. Get these treats from your local candy store or make them at home using the simple recipe on the Bare Feet in the Kitchen website. And now for our question of the day. What do you like most about Mardi Gras? Put your response down in the comments and we'll continue the conversation down below.
Thanks for tuning in, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Take care.